Hey guys, how's it going? How to get money back from Zelle transaction. So to get money back from Zelle transaction, contact the recipient, ask the recipient to return the funds directly, check bank policies, review your bank's policy on reversing Zelle transaction, report issue. If the transaction was fraudulent or incorrect, contact your bank's customer support for assistance. And Zelle transactions are usually immediate and irreversible, so acting quickly is crucial. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.